The DELSEY Helium DLX 25-inch spinner is crafted from lightweight and durable DuraTec fabric, ensuring it withstands the challenges of travel while maintaining a stylish appearance. Featuring dual-density double spinner wheels, this luggage offers a stable base and effortless multi-directional rolling, making your travels smoother with no added weight on your hand. The spacious interior is thoughtfully designed with 2 shoe pockets, a mesh pocket, and a wet pocket, alongside 2 exterior pockets for quick access to essentials, ensuring maximum organization. For added security, the recessed 3-dial TSA-approved combination lock and patented SECURITECH zip provide enhanced protection, being 3 times more resistant to intrusion than conventional zippers. Designed with an ergonomic handle and soft grip side, top, and bottom carrying handles, this suitcase is easy to maneuver and comes with a 10-year limited warranty from the manufacturer. With its elegant design and eco-friendly construction, the DELSEY Helium DLX not only meets the needs of modern travelers, but also aligns with environmental consciousness.